Welcome to Saturday morning. Thanks for joining in and following along. So one of my previous videos, depending on when this comes out, was talking about my regular day. So what it looks like in a weekday. So now it's Saturday and the pattern is a little bit different. I do a weekly cleaning routine with the tiny house with the system that I've set up. So I'm going to show you quickly how I do that and the things that I've learned, just to show you if you have to care and maintain for a place like this. And I also mentioned in a previous video the concept of sacred Saturdays and how that all ties in together. So please bear with me, enjoy this segment, and you'll understand why it ties all in together and the whole reason for simplifying your life so that you can focus on those important parts of it. So please enjoy. All right, so welcome to Chores Morning. I don't know what, I guess I'm excited. I love doing these chores, maybe because it helps me reminisce of what my grandparents and my great-grandparents must have gone through on the farm. So it kind of connects me to that part of it. But anyways, so the series of events that's going to be happening this morning, there's 5 parts to it. I'm going to look after the water. As they say, eat your frogs first. So the water part is the most difficult of all the chores because you got to go out and carry something heavy and you can slip and all that good stuff. So I'd say that's the most complex part, bringing the gray water out and some fresh water in. And then I'm going to be filling in the woodshed and then it's cycling the toilet. The solids I only do 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes 4, it all depends. But the liquids I do have to do every Wednesdays, if you remember, and Saturday mornings. So that has to be done. And number 5 is the deep clean. And as we know how to do the cleaning, you typically start from the top. So I'm going to be doing the windows, the cupboards, going down to the walls, the heaters, and then finally finish off with the floors. And that'll complete the cycle. So I hope you enjoy the ride. Well, that's frozen, so I'm not gonna ruin that pipe. Let's see if we can get it from inside. You can certainly hear how cold it is from the crunching of the snow. So I think I'll stop it right about there.
And it's funny, it is true what they say. It really just smells like dirt when you open it up and you switch it off, because peat moss has such that earthy smell. So it's surprisingly really fine. So having a wood stove is amazing. I love it and I wouldn't change that. But just expect that it does blacken everything. I mean, just look at the water. Now the fact that it is just wood and paper burning, it's not garbage, means that it's not awesome for your health, but it's still processable by your body. We've been doing it for thousands and thousands of years. But it's just that aspect that you have to realize. Keep things clean so that it doesn't pile up. Just take it off one layer at a time. Speaking of layers to take off, as I was saying previously, when you've got a wood stove, you gotta anticipate that you're gonna be doing some cleaning. One of the things that I didn't anticipate though, these heaters, I love them. The cold air comes from the bottom and then is shot up on the top, but as you can see, that brings up the soot and puts it against that wall, and it doesn't look great. So as I do every Saturday is just to take a layer off, and you keep that up because you know that this could build up. So I've tried everything, quote unquote everything, and I don't want to try any of those harsher chemicals. So my mom, as all moms do, said that she has an easy solution that she uses on all her walls: toothpaste. So just run-of-the-mill toothpaste, takes stains off of teeth, takes stains off of walls safely. So that's what I'm gonna do. And let's just see if we can see a before and after of this. Well, I'm certainly convinced. I hope you are too. Toothpaste. Thank you, Mom. Wow, good to go. It's not all off, but like I said, a layer of it is off, and that's the whole point about cleaning on the weekend, every weekend, and tidying daily, is that you strip off a layer so that the next time it's not that bad. Plus the bonus, using toothpaste, my walls smell minty fresh, and that's pretty awesome. And so here's the best part of all of this. It takes me about 2 hours to run through that whole cycle. And starting it early enough, say 8 a.m., I'm done by 10. And what this means is that my house, that I'm so proud to show and invite people to see, is clean, it's ready, and then I have the rest of my day to do basically whatever I want. But something I've always wanted to do is to go to the market and prepare some food, invite some friends over, hang out in the evening, and now I can do absolutely that. So that's the practice of Sacred Saturdays, is so that you free it up to be able to use it with the connections that you have around you. And that's one big reason to do this whole tiny house life, is to spend less time inside cleaning and doing all the maintenance work, enjoying a nice comfy space, enjoy some good food, and enjoy some good company around you. Not the simple life that we all want. So with that, my friends, thank you for following along, and I hope that you're getting some tips to try out with your own life. as we're all trying to live a bit more simply, sustainably, and focus on the important things in life. So thanks, my friends. Take care of each other. God bless. And get out there, do something fun. Just wanted to take a second to show you this magical scene. Beautiful, isn't it?